नमस्ते सभी को। आइए साथ मिलकर एक बेहतर भविष्य का निर्माण करें। मैं डॉक्टर प्रवीण परमार आप सभी का स्वागत करता हूं ग्रीनप्रेन्योर 2020 के इस वर्चुअल सेलिब्रेशन में, जो हमारा 4th ग्रीनप्रेन्योर अवार्ड्स है। मेरी जर्नी एक फार्मर के रूप में शुरू हुई थी और आज मैं एक ऐसे मूवमेंट का हिस्सा हूं जिसका लक्ष्य है एनवायरनमेंट को प्रोटेक्ट करते हुए एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप को ग्रो करना। ग्रीनप्रेन्योर सिर्फ अवार्ड्स नहीं है, ये एक रेवोल्यूशनरी थॉट है और अब हमने एक कदम और आगे बढ़ाया है ग्रीनप्रेन्योर कम्युनिटी बनाकर। अब हर सिटी में हम चैप्टर शुरू कर रहे हैं जिसे लीड करेंगे वो लोग जो सस्टेनेबिलिटी को सीरियसली लेते हैं और दुनिया में रियल इम्पैक्ट बनाना चाहते हैं। ये एक नॉट फॉर प्रॉफिट इनिशिएटिव है बाय 1 मिलियन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स इंटरनेशनल फोरम, जिसका मिशन है हेल्प 1 मिलियन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स ग्रो एंड लीड रिस्पॉन्सिबली। मैं थैंक यू कहना चाहता हूँ सभी जूरी मेंबर्स, पार्टिसिपेंट्स और सपोर्टिंग पार्टनर्स को। आपके बिना ये पॉसिबल नहीं होता। और हाँ, ये एआई का युग है, इसलिए हमने सभी विनर्स को अनाउंस किया है थ्रू एआई जनरेटेड वीडियोस, ताकि हम नेट ज़ीरो इवेंट्स का परफेक्ट एग्जाम्पल सेट कर सकें, लीड बाय एग्जाम्पल फॉर द एंटायर वर्ल्ड। चलिए मिलकर एक ऐसी दुनिया बनाते हैं जहां हर एंटरप्रेन्योर एक ग्रीनप्रेन्योर हो। जे प्रकृति, जे एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप। आइए साथ मिलकर एक बेहतर भविष्य का निर्माण करें। थैंक यू सो मच।
And now, in the category of Greenpreneur Challenge Startup, goes to Payal Nandi, founder of P&D Studio, where stunning design meets sustainability. Crafting soulful spaces and eco-artifacts from reclaimed wood, she champions mindful living, Indian craftsmanship, and nature-first innovation. And now, in the category of Greenpreneur Challenge, what goes to Chintan Dave, founder of Apex EPC Consultant, over 40 years protecting India's water. A true pioneer in sustainable water management, leading the charge to preserve our planet's most precious resource. And now, in the category of Greenpreneur Challenge Social Impact Creator, goes to Arya Chavada. Just 15 years and already a powerhouse. Author of 11 books, UNESCO Youth Voice, Climate Crusader, Heritage Champion, and social reformer, creating global impact through art, activism, and compassion. And now, in the category of Greenpreneur Challenge Sustainable Construction, goes to Indrajit Singh Gohil, founder of Indrajit Construction Chemicals, driving sustainable building since 2014. From wall putty to waterproofing, his eco-smart solutions power greener, stronger, future-ready construction across India. And now, in the category of Greenpreneur Challenge NGO, goes to Mahesh Pandya, powerhouse behind Paryavaran Mitra, transforming Gujarat with unstoppable youth-driven climate action, global UN recognition, and game-changing sustainability programs. Leading the charge for a greener, stronger planet. And now, in the category of Greenpreneur Challenge Eco-Friendly Product, goes to Bharat Sheth, the force behind Gajraj Cement, blending innovation, ethics, and eco-friendly excellence. A visionary leader driving sustainable infrastructure, real estate growth, and community upliftment with unmatched quality and trust. And now, in the category of Greenpreneur Challenge Clean Technology, goes to Jaylakshmi Venkat Narayanan, a powerhouse innovator revolutionizing IoT for energy and water savings, and breaking barriers as Emerson Vertov's only woman partner. And now, in the category of Greenpreneur Challenge Green Consulting and Services, goes to Dr. Murugesh Siva, sustainability evangelist driving ESG, net zero, ISO impact, and inspiring 45,000 plus future changemakers. And now, in the category of Greenpreneur Challenge eco-friendly product, goes to Avinash, founder of 1-2 Tree, naturally creating incense and repellent sticks from fallen leaves, not felled trees. 100% natural, 0% harm. And now, in the category of Greenpreneur Challenge Startup, goes to Jenani Ilangovan, young changemaker, storyteller, and founder of Ever, driving real impact through sustainability, purpose, and powerful youth-led innovation. And now, in the category of Greenpreneur Challenge Sustainable Education, goes to Geeta Saha, a visionary educator shaping future green architects through 5 years of real-world impact, innovation, and eco-conscious design. And now, in the category of Greenpreneur Challenge Sustainable Service Business, goes to Nishant Malhotra, founder of UTOPIIC Innovations, turning ESG goals into action through assurance, decarbonization, and GHG accounting that drives real impact. And now, in the category of Greenpreneur Challenge Sustainable Service Business, goes to Dhruvin Sojitra, founder of Green Minds India, Rajkot's only sustainability consulting pioneer, mastering CBAM, carbon footprint, and EcoVadis reporting. And now, in the category of Greenpreneur Challenge Upcycling, goes to Bhavini Parekh, founder of Binko Junko, a powerhouse of purpose and creativity. She's redefining fashion by turning textile waste into bold, beautiful designs. With global shoutouts from BBC, IKEA, and the US Embassy, Bhavini is lighting up the world stage with eco-conscious innovation and unstoppable impact. And now, in the category of Greenpreneur Challenge Hospitality and Tourism, goes to Ruchira Srivastav, the powerhouse behind My Eco Tour by Whispering Earth. She's revolutionizing the travel industry with a bold mission, merging premium tourism with planet-first values. With over 1,000 trees planted across 8 countries, her initiative leads the way in carbon offsetting and global green impact. And now, in the category of Greenpreneur Challenge Upcycling, goes to Shilpi Datta Som, the visionary founder of Many Frocks, with a fierce commitment to the planet. Many Frocks has transformed over 3 lakh fabric pieces, slashing textile waste and cutting down greenhouse emissions. And now, in the category of Greenpreneur Challenge Storyteller, goes to Tanisha Kshatriya, the heart and soul behind Ecola, with a deep-rooted belief in the power of simplicity, nature, and imagination. Tanisha has crafted a movement that blends sustainability with storytelling, creating experiences that are not only eco-conscious but truly soul-touching. And now, in the category of Greenpreneur Challenge Startup, goes to Darpan Tanna, the game changer behind 50 Fintech Private Limited. With his cutting-edge digital lending platform, he's empowering Indian investors to unlock instant liquidity without selling a single share. A true innovator, Darpan is reshaping the future of finance, one smart loan at a time. And now, in the category of Greenpreneur Challenge Water, and now, in the category of Greenpreneur Challenge Water, goes to Neerav Saraiya, the visionary leader of Vivan Water and Enviro Solutions. With over a decade of expertise in rainwater harvesting and have led 10,000 plus projects across India, Nirav is a true champion of sustainable water management. And now, in the category of Greenpreneur Challenge Net Zero Early Mover, goes to Ratnesh Shingroup, the driving force behind Quasar Innovative Solutions. A true pioneer in renewable energy. From kilowatt to megawatt projects, Quasar Innovative Solutions handles it all: design, execution, and commissioning, fueling a cleaner, greener India. And now, in the category of Greenpreneur Challenge Recycling, goes to Dr. D.G. Battalwar, the powerhouse behind Gyan Enviro, a true titan in environmental leadership. Dr. Battalwar is setting national standards. By championing cutting-edge solutions in hazardous waste management, he is not just leading a company, he's leading a movement toward a cleaner, safer, and more sustainable India. And now, in the category of Greenpreneur Challenge Green Consulting and Services, goes to visionary Soumodip Attanu Roy, the trailblazing founder of Mool Biotech Farms, where science meets soil to heal the earth. Soumodip is rewriting the future of farming through regenerative agriculture, climate-resilient bioengineering, and the power of the circular bioeconomy. And now, in the category of Greenpreneur Challenge Sustainable Agriculture, goes to incredible Arna Rajwanshi, the brilliant mind behind Hydro Nests, the urban farming revolution making rooftops and balconies burst with green power. Her startup is transforming city living with customized hydroponic systems that grow fresh, healthy veggies without soil and with 90% less water. And now, in the category of Greenpreneur Challenge Architecture, goes to Shreya Srivastav, founder of Studio Shunya, where architecture meets earth, elegance, and eco-consciousness. From award-winning projects to government collaborations, she's leading the charge in regenerative architecture, inspiring a new era of mindful construction across India. And now, in the category of Greenpreneur Challenge Social Impact Creator, goes to the unstoppable Aditya Kumar, the visionary behind Career Architect Aditya, where purpose meets profession and passion powers the planet. Aditya is crafting careers that matter, blending psychology, handwriting analysis, and astrology to unlock unique potential. And now, in the category of Greenpreneur Challenge Green Consulting and Services, goes to the unstoppable Deval Joshi, the driving force behind Deval the Coach. From leadership mastery to powerful team building strategies, she delivers more than motivation, she delivers measurable success and sustainable growth. And now, in the category of Greenpreneur Challenge Green Consulting and Services, goes to Shrikanti Neelange. We honor a true game changer. Shrikanti Neelange, visionary leader, trained 50,000 plus entrepreneurs, built India's all-in-one hub for solar, AV, and battery solutions. A true green changemaker driving India's clean energy revolution. A mentor, a leader, a green warrior. And now, in the category of Greenpreneur Challenge Recycling, goes to the dynamic Sarthak Sindhal, the force behind Genesis Technoplast LLP, a new age warrior in the battle against plastic waste. With cutting-edge tech and an unstoppable vision, he's turning trash into treasure, proving that a circular economy isn't just possible, it's already happening. And now, in the category of Greenpreneur Challenge Sustainable Manufacturer, goes to the phenomenal Ekta Jain, the powerhouse entrepreneur behind Flavia Creation, where fashion meets fierce purpose. Ekta's impact goes beyond style. She's on a mission to empower uneducated women, transforming fabric waste into beautiful handbags and creating life-changing opportunities for women to earn and thrive. And now, in the category of Greenpreneur Challenge Waste Management, goes to Vinod Nindarojia, the fearless leader powering a revolutionary social startup transforming waste management. Through his inspiring mission of reuse, repair, and reintroduction, he's delivering quality clothing to those in need across urban and rural India.